Click on the link below to get price. The Smart Home Dehumidifier with a high power of 540W has proven to be an excellent addition to my household, particularly in managing humidity levels in my basement and drying clothes effectively. With an impressive capacity for extracting moisture, it operates efficiently in spaces up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for larger areas such as garages and villas. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its powerful motor, which enables rapid moisture removal. I noticed a significant difference in air quality within a few hours of use. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring clear buttons and an LED display that makes it easy to set desired humidity levels and monitor performance. This level of convenience is especially appreciated when trying to maintain a comfortable environment in a damp basement. Another notable aspect is its large water tank, which can hold up to 2.5 gallons before needing to be emptied. The dehumidifier also has an option for continuous drainage, which is a game changer, as it eliminates the hassle of manual emptying. The device operates at a relatively low noise level, allowing me to run it even during nighttime without disturbing my sleep. Additionally, the dehumidifier is designed with portability in mind. It has built-in wheels and a handle, making it easy to move from room to room as needed. I found this particularly useful when transitioning from drying clothes indoors to regulating humidity in different areas of the house. While the initial investment may seem steep, the benefits it provides in terms of improving air quality, preventing mold growth, and ensuring that clothes dry faster are well worth it. Overall, the Smart Home Dehumidifier has exceeded my expectations, proving to be a reliable and effective solution for controlling moisture in my home. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their living conditions and tackle humidity-related challenges.